Today, we will discuss Coolify and Docker. Coolify and Docker both utilize containerization. Coolify employs Docker to build and handle containers for applications in production. This implies that applications are bundled with their dependencies into separate environments. Coolify serves as an easy-to-use interface over Docker, streamlining the handling of Docker container for deploying applications. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Coolify is a service that streamlines the deployment and oversight of applications, including those operating within Docker containers. It offers an easy-to-use interface and automation tools to simplify the deployment and management of applications on servers. Coolify frequently employs Docker as a fundamental technology for deploying applications. Hence, Coolify uses Docker. Coolify functions in certain aspects as an abstraction layer built on Docker. It assists in managing the Docker containers and the servers hosting those containers. Docker is a platform that allows for containerization. This means it enables you to bundle applications in their dependencies into standardized entities referred to as containers. These containers can subsequently operate uniformly in various environments, guaranteeing that your application functions identically no matter where it is launched. Docker offers the tools and technology needed to develop, handle, and execute these containers. All in all, Docker is the underlying technology that allows you to package and run applications in containers. Coolify is a tool that simplifies the process of deploying and managing those containers, often by automating tasks and providing a user friendly interface.